Hi guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make this cute yellow tank. But it doesn't shoot. To get started, we will first be building the wheels of the car. So we get a tire and put our white wheel piece in the middle. Repeat the process with every single wheel. What's this for? Since we got all our wheels done, we'll get an axle piece 2x2 and put the one side of the wheels through. So then it's like that. Then we have this 2x4 with it's sticking up a bit with the sticking up piece, pointy thing. So then we'll put the wheels on like that. Then we'll assemble the cannon, get this circle piece and this X piece, put on this Technic piece, which is like a round barrel, put it on, and put this piece, sort of just like a barrel for the cannon, but it doesn't shoot. And then just put it on with this, and we'll have a smooth piece at the top. Boom! We're done! I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to 4Kids Daily Adventure. Bye!